For the eggless chocolate cake, we are taking two bowls. One is for wet ingredients and one is for dry ingredients. So this is 1 level cup of atta. This is wheat flour and not maida, okay? This is wheat flour. And then we are going to put 1 tablespoon of cocoa, and I'm taking just 1/4 teaspoon of coffee, any coffee, Nescafe or brew cafe, but I prefer Nescafe. I've used this, so to give that color and aroma. 1 level teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, and let's sieve this. So in wet ingredients, we take half cup lukewarm milk, 1/4 cup sugar. We're putting sugar into this milk so that it gets mixed and thoroughly dissolves. Half of 1/4 cup, half of 1/4 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and the secret ingredient is 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice. So we are going to mix all the wet ingredients first, and then slowly, little by little, add the dry ingredients. And meanwhile, we are keeping the oven to preheat. We are going to preheat our oven on 180 degrees centigrade. So let's preheat the oven. So I'm preheating my oven. So we are mixing all the wet ingredients thoroughly. And little by little we are going to add our dry ingredients. There's no egg. So all our dry mixture is in, and I'm going to mix it thoroughly. See that you keep moving your spatula in one direction and don't keep changing the direction. If these ingredients become very dry or you feel they are too thick, we can add little bit of milk into it. So they look little dry, so I'm going to add some milk into it, maybe 2 tablespoons, I guess. I have added one more tablespoon of milk because I don't want it to be hard, but it should be moist. And my cake tin is all lined and ready to pour. So let's check. Look at the dropping consistency. That's how it should be. So it depends on, again, the wheat atta that we are using, wheat flour. So if some wheat flours take more water, like we need the rotis. Here it has taken little more milk. So, but we need this consistency. So just check with your consistency. And anyways, I'm going to give all the ingredients and their amount in the description box. So let's tap this, and it's ready to go into the oven. My oven is also ready. And let's set the timer, 25 minutes. I heard the beep, and let's check with our cake. Oh, it's clean, so it's time for us to remove the cake from the oven. Whoa, look at that, hot. It's hot, so let's give some time for it to demold. So let's check if we can demold this. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm going to remove this and then check. Look at that. Look at the sponginess. Look at the color. Look at the cake. It is very spongy and it's little warm. So there's no question of doing icing right now. I wanted to do the mascarpone icing on it, which is better than butter icing. And I can also use chocolate slab, which you get for making a chocolate icing as well. So let's see what we can make it. This cake is light on sugar. It is made out of wheat atta, wheat flour, and it has no egg in it. So there are so many good things about it. And try it and let me know if you like it. And you can make plain sponge cake without using cocoa here. If you don't use cocoa, you can make plain sponge cake. That's the trick.